Yeah. You went to Cali, right? Oh, I don't know how to do it. Let's see. I could never figure it out, dude. Turn off push to talk. Let's see. Permissions. I don't see it on. I'm looking, bro. I'm sorry. Permissions.
Actors, we can make you believe we know what we're doing, when in fact, we do not. Whoops, I have no idea what these buttons do.
I've never driven a stick in my life. Let my hardest roll yet.
Small
I don't
business
see it,
owner,
bro.
because I have no idea what I'm doing. But GoDaddy
I've been
Air
trying to
does,
figure this out.
using AI to build a logo, website, and social content.
This channel requires push to talk voice chat. You'll only be able to listen until you switch modes to push to talk from voice activity detection. Let me, I'll have to ask fucking Copilot here. How to turn off push to talk on Discord. Oh, I got my fucking thing over here, bro. I want to get this and put it back. Open Discord, click the gear icon next to username, bottom left, open user settings, on the left side, go to voice and video, under input mode, select voice activity. Edit channel. Go to permissions tab. Okay. Under roles and members, select everyone. Everyone. Make sure these are enabled. Green check. Connect and speak. My bad, give me 1 second. Connect, okay, and speak. I got nothing red, bro. Use voice activity. Oh, I'm almost there, bro. I'll figure it out. I don't think it works, bro. I don't know. Oh, voice activity. It's set to allow. Okay, I think I got it. I think it should work now. Oh shit. Let's see. What is going on? Oh, gotcha. This is a convention, bro? Oh, there it goes. This is so weird. Let's see.
food? Can you hear me good or not?
Yeah, I can hear you.
Oh man, am I like a event thing?
You're where?
An event,
What event is this?
like a church event.
It's a what? You're a little low.
Church, church.
Oh, stealing food. Bruh. I'm looking.
Yeah, come on.
Ooh. Some soup? Is the weather nice there? In Cali. I gotta see if my TikTok's fucking working. Alright. How the fuck? Alright. Mic test. I think we're good here. Mic test.
Daddy? Bro, why are my arms are fucking... I need better lighting. I wanna leave. It's so loud. It's loud on 1% volume and max party volume. I'm looking for a buy here. Ooh, we're short. Let me, am I signed in here? 621. No, 6062. It's blurry. Bro, this shit's fucking annoying. The camera shit. Where the fuck? My music disappeared. This is not a cabinet. Honestly, me too. Honestly, me too. You left too. Wait, what? Yo, Peter Mazzy, join us right now.
Wealthfront offers a cash account that has one of the highest interest rates on the market.
This looks like it wants to go up, but it's very slow. I know the bill got passed today, so countries start paying tariffs on August 1st. Damn, Trump spoke really late. Yo, someone follow me. Someone new. I want to see if my MP3 player thing works. Looks like gold's moving. Mic test. Alright, good. It's working. Daddy. Daddy.
Daddy? I cracked myself up. I'm definitely gonna be saying that. Daddy? Daddy? Peter, turn max volume on party. Turn Roblox 1 bar only. For volume. Hashtag. Daddy?
Hey Lizzie, thanks for the likes. Yes, it works. Daddy, is that you? I need to be louder though.
Daddy? Is that you? Daddy? Is that you?
There we go. That was the best. Daddy? Alright, let's see if this wants to go up. Let's go to 30 seconds because this is trash. Whoa, let's make sure we fucking bring that down. Daddy. Alright, so on a 30-second, we got a nice fair value gap here. It's either got to break above this, and then we'll see if it wants to continue up at least until 2307. Thanks for the follow.
Smart enough to beat the market? Then you're smart enough to know that even Renaissance Technologies, the world's
Lucas.
most successful hedge fund,
You the man.
relies on algorithms, not human traders. While retail traders spend countless hours analyzing charts, watching economic...
And I know what's happening. Upscaler. Such a Peter, side by side.
There it goes. It might go if we close above this. But it did close above this one. Yeah, we missed it.
Order filled.
Oh yeah, Peter. We're about to go.
Order filled.
But I'll go.
I can't wait to do this one. Are you not entertained? Daddy?
I'm scared.
Just gotta pull back.
Especially you know it's bad if I'm
It might need to pull back to here too.
I'm scared for the scream of hell. Peter, go up a little bit. I forgot about that. I forgot about Sebastian, completely forgot about that jump scare.
Daddy?
Why are we slow? Why are we so slow?
Did any of you guys trade tonight? I know, damn, what's echoing?
There's lockers. I'll check.
I hope it's not echoing. I feel like it's echoing somewhere.
No, Sebastian, no, Sebastian, no, My ears. My ears. Done.
How does this sound on TikTok?
I'm turning my volume down.
How does it sound on TikTok?
How does it sound on TikTok? Hello? What is this fucking green thing down here? That's Discord, okay. Ow, ow, ow. My ears. Oh my god, so loud. Why is it taking so long to load? Fuck is TikTok? You fucking kidding me? I don't know why they shut off.
Introducing Ironbeam, a bright choice for futures trading. Ironbeam is an industry-leading broker catering to traders worldwide with 24-hour live support and the free Ironbeam platform. You can trade the most popular and liquid future contracts anywhere and from any device. With day trade margins as low as $50 and no account minimums, futures trading is more accessible than ever. Register now and let us help you shine a light on futures trading. Ironbeam.
Follow me, Peter. Just follow me. No.
What a fucking weird thing.
Creator can feel like you've always got to be on, always live. It's overwhelming.
Don't peek
So
your
stream smarter. Upload your video to Restream, and we'll stream it live whenever and wherever you want. Maximize your audience and growth while Restream frees you up to do whatever. Morning, afternoon, or late at night, your stream goes live exactly when you've planned, even while you're offline. It's not about streaming all the time, it's about streaming smarter. Upload and stream from Restream.
No, I'm scared.
So weird. Can I not look at my shit?
I think we have to peek out somehow.
Hello?
I'll move these so I can
Mic check. Mic check. I'm trying to turn this fucking shit off, guys. I'm sorry.
We have to go back.
Mic check. Alright. I don't know what's echoing. If you guys hear echoing, I'm sorry. If you guys don't mind, does it sound okay on TikTok? Let me know.
No, it just give it up. Peter, you go first. You saw the jump scare already. Come on. So when it starts to flicker, we have to hide. Shut up. Seth, you're the bravest. You're the bravest, bro. Come on.
Nah, it's not. It's really dead. I'm on a 30-second chart.
I'm closing our minds. No, you
Hit that follow button. Now.
Oh, it is blurry, huh?
oh no.
You sure it's not your connection?
What does that say? You were. I know you were in there somewhere.
Yeah. Oh, you know what? You're looking at Discord. Maybe that's blurry. No, I got my face cam on TT.
Oh, it's the puzzle.
I guess it is. Maybe it is blurry that way. I don't know. Yeah, I'm trying a different way of streaming it through Discord using OBS. You can make a separate screen. Oh yeah, I see you in here.
Something's gonna happen. I already know it. Peter. Okay.
You're so close. It could be Discord. I'm trying. So what I did was I did OBS, make a separate screen, and then on Discord you select that application.
If I win this, you guys have to follow so you can hear my follow tone.
Alert, whatever the fuck you want to call it. Oh, I should do my live event thing. Forgot about it. All platforms. Live day trading. I wonder if tomorrow's even gonna be good. I'm hoping at least get at least a 1 hour of decency. It could just be dead. Bro, what the fuck was that crying? That was an ad. I'm gonna have to roll this on my chin, bro. This shit. You don't want to talk like this. It's gonna take time to go up. Let's look at the one. Very good rejection. Looking for liquidity highs, maybe. All right, 18, 20. Let's go, motherfucker. We need some volume. Oh, I know what's I know what was doing that. Okay. Echo was gone. Or it was. You think so? Shit, you're right. Probably. Can you hear it on TikTok though, that an echo? mean, if it's on my end, I really don't care. Let's go. It's fighting the top right here of the 5-minute cloud. If you can get up here, the problem is that it might want to come back down to here. But the 1 minute says up, 5 minutes says down, so we in la la right now. What's up, Pips on YouTube? YT, I should say. So, Mr. TikTok gets upset. Can you hear me on YT? Just double checking.
Explaining complex topics can be challenging. Highlight the text you want to simplify and let Grammarly rewrite it.
Order filled.
Oh. Oh.
Daddy? Can you say daddy? Even on a 30-second chart, no volume. Getting it. Bro, why is my shit keep turning off? My music. Yeah, I know.
Fair value gap to the upside. Where the fuck is my damn?
Why do you run like that?
I don't know why it keeps turning off.
So it looked like we're in a mental hospital. Hello. Can you stop? You can't hide. I don't like this game. Yeah, Russia's a really...
This is a long shot to see if it's gonna take it up there, but first target hit, so. Still waiting for it to go long. Cool, Pips. Thank you for responding. I appreciate it.
Oh, I know what I'm doing. That's fucking funny. So I'm pressing fucking Alt F4 and that closes it. It's kind of funny. Yeah. I mean, yo, what the fuck? Because to turn on my voice, thing, I need to press, what is it, Alt F4, right? I could do Control F4.
Control F4 does it too? Bruh. Hotkeys. Right control F4. So maybe I should do right alt.
Did that work?
I need one of those fucking stream things.
What's the secret to building wealth? Well, people think it's about staring at trading charts for 12 hours a day, or jumping from one hot investment tip to another, or trying to time the perfect market entry. And while those things
That's funny shit. I'm like, yo, why the fuck is everything closing on me? Hey Alpha, if you're still in here, just want to let you know that I'm Alpha. I am Alpha.
I'm Alpha. I need to get better at that. It's hard for me to see it though. I'm Alpha.
Alright, might want to go to the 23,000s again and then go up. I mean, the 30-second we fucking hit. Probably about to blast up right soon. At least a little burst. Nobody gives a shit about your sun run. What the hell is that? Is that one of those meme coins? I'm in a buy, yeah. 30-second though. We're trying to see if it wants to sweep up, but we're gonna see if it comes back down to these fair value gaps on the 30-second chart. And then up to the upside. So if you are gonna enter this, you gotta be careful because it's gonna be quick. There's not much volume, so I'm on a 30-second. I guess it's hard to see on mobile, huh? Yeah, mobile's hard to see, I guess.
Most trading courses take your money, give you some lessons, and then disappear. That's not how we do things. We guarantee you will.
That's what you get. That's what you get. You're probably gonna teleport it. Bro, why are you in here? I'll take my chance with other monsters. Crowbar. What was that? I have the crowbar. What was that? I don't know. Okay, no. Let's break the window, I think. At this point, I'm done. At this point, bro, I'll leave him other people dying. So, bro, I'm saving you at this point. Yes. Oh, yeah. Better be frustrated.
I'm just looking at my thumbnail.
Yeah. Why do you turn like that? That's your thing, right? If I got you, you had a lot of this. Okay.
Alright, we're going back down to it.
Daddy?
Ooh, thanks for the follow. Fucking hilarious. Daddy.
Collect all the souls. One.
Daddy.
Oh, no. No, 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 no. Look, look, look. Honey. Mother.
Shout out to Husker.
Tudor, thanks for the follow.
We're almost there. Daddy.
Daddy. Daddy. This is just going back and forth here.
Papa. I think it's gonna go up, but I'm not sure if it wants to retouch first.
Papa. This is on a 30-second chart too, so is that you? Ah, thanks for the follow. I love my fucking alert. That ain't fucking funny.
Daddy?
When you're ready to record, just hit record to capture high quality audio and video all from the comfort
Daddy?
of anywhere. Even if the only camera you have is on your phone. With Riverside, you'll sound
Daddy?
like a pro. The equipment doesn't matter. You'll get a professional looking podcast using anything
What you want to do? So, let's look at the 1 minute.
Even with zero experience, you can create content like an experience.
This is a lot of chop here, guys.
Intuitive editing features. Get transcriptions automatically and use them to edit just like a doc. Or use the chapter timeline, which makes it easier to skim and scan. Ready to share? It's okay.
My God. I'd rather play the horror game.
Daddy? Daddy? Well, we could probably put the stop loss down here. The problem is that if it takes this, it's not a big deal. We're almost there, and I'm gonna reload. You sick of this market? Yo, it's been wild, right? It's just been going up, but now the bill has been signed. So we should have some kind of direction, and it might be up. I don't know. Sometimes it's a little weird right after. I mean, it's been up, period, but... Night times are usually dead anyway. Let's look at gold real quick. Just curious. Gold's moving like a snail. been getting chopped up, dude, or I usually trade 9:30 morning. We did really fucking good today in the beginning, and then I gave half of it back like an asshole. No, actually I gave it all back. It was like $50 in the hole at the end. We were up almost 1,000. It looked like it was gonna fall back, and then the half a day fucked me. Well, Top Step fucked me a little bit. Alright, we got 2 bulls here, so it might go back and forth. I was hoping for this refill. On the 30-second chart, this was the first.
Daddy, is that you?
Oh, thanks for the follow. Oh, let me do my thing, bruh.
Who's that following me? Let's see. Lost in the sauce, baby. Welcome to Bully Bears.
What'd you say? You try my funded, it's only $60 right now. Oh, my funded futures? I actually never, I don't fuck with them. I heard nothing but good things about them though. Right now, I just have Top Step X in Take Profit Trader. Take Profit Trader is pretty good. But you need to be able to pass if you're going to do Take Profit Trader, because they're expensive up front. But my funded, is that $60 like round trip, like after you pass? Let me see. Let me look it up. I feel like there's some weird ass. Is there any Oh, 50% off all plans, huh? But I want to see the rules. How does it work?
Oh yeah. Gosh, why do I find the content book at January? Where did I go?
Okay, you get funded in 1 day. 5 winning days.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah, wait, right, watch this. Dispatch ring, look at the dispatch ring.
See when ready. Okay.
What one? The I one right away. Yeah, I'm telling you right now.
Every
I one
14
right away.
days. See, that's what I fucking hate.
Show everybody my business.
Yeah, Project X is pretty good. Works very smooth. You see, like I'm like annoyed by the little rules.
Oh, you did it.
Oh, it is. So how come it says
Order
14
filled.
days? All right, we're in again for another 2.
Order
Okay,
filled.
now you look weirdo.
Oh, it's instant funded.
You need to pay Robo for these,
All right, let's see here.
Not that big.
Was it Eve out alive you want? Starter. Expert. I gotta check it out later. I mean, I've heard nothing but good things about it. Take Profit Trader though is 1 day. I'm trying to get the 10K payout on it for my Discord. Show them what's up, you know. But it's been a rough market.
Yeah, it's definitely cutthroat.
Well, it's been kind of easy and not at the same time. Like my signal's been paying off amazing. And then my reversal sometimes pays a lot, but some like the past 2 days it just wasn't falling at all. All right, we're below this. I want to do 30 seconds, just not. It's too. Let's see if we take out these lows. I can handle this loss here. 15-minute lows.
Sebastian searching Taylor Gates.
There we go. Okay. Now we might reverse.
Yes.
But we have to break a fair value gap. But we need this to close in 7 seconds. Liberty, don't fucking judge me, bro. Gotta change something else.
Sebastian, mine's cursing. But
All right, break above.
To the upside.
gotta break above this fair value gap. Well, it's gotta hold it too.
Introducing Iron Beam, the best choice for futures trading. Iron Beam is the industry-leading broker, catering to traders worldwide.
Shut your bitch ass up. Oh, I should probably. There you go.
I forgot about scenario.
Boring market. Come on. No news. Trump just posted, wow, 218 votes to 2. Has a number like that ever happened before?
This is not red like green machine, bro. I always have one meeting in headline. I'm having fun with it. You know, pop flower.
Okay, that's what we needed right there. Break above, but we have this old fucking fair value gap here. Thanks for the hearts.
Thanks for the hearts.
First short out of a gray, no good, and it closed above the cloud. So if that sticks, no good. Doesn't mean it won't play, but we don't do those. Let's look at the one real quick. Okay, we closed above. We should be good. We have a lot of resistance here. All these yellows are pullback zones. Usually you can bounce, but you have to wait for them to reject. We did have it look like a bottom here, so, and we broke the fair value gap, so we're probably gonna go up. And we're along anyway, so. Are any of you guys on mobile right now? Calmudia. Thanks for the like. If you guys are on mobile, let me know where you want this chart to be. To move it around. I'm still trying to figure that part out. I'm usually just on landscape mode, but I didn't realize we have portrait mode on here. Like at the same time. Gotta be careful because this is a high too.
I've been trading over 10 years.
Nah, over 10 years. No, it's not my main income. I have a career job. I can't say what it is. That's why I'm wearing this mask. I do this. My schedule's 4 on, 4 off, so I get to do this almost 4 days a week. So. We're trying to fuck around with it. This is the first time I'm wearing this setup. So I wanted to try it out for tonight, get it ready for tomorrow morning when we trade. I usually don't trade this. This is really choppy. Let's go to the 1 minute. Like, this is really choppy. But, you know, sometimes you can see the patterns. Still up, bro? Oh, I forgot Cali's fucking different time zone. It should. If you look at the recent high, you have right here, but you also have a high here, so. But it should go up a little bit, at least until my target zones, which is 2309, and then we'll reevaluate. Let's see if it goes up a little bit more. All right, we're about to go over that trend line here. Now we're at a huge resistance here. This big box up here is a large resistance. It's a pullback zone from this high to this low. And this is a common Fibonacci. It's an indicator I created. It's called Bully Bear Bounce. First buy signal. Oh no, it's the second one actually. technically this is valid. But it is overbought already. It just went to orange, so I don't know if I would have taken that for that move, but we're in a different move here. We're in for the reversal to see if it wants to take out the highs. Oh, I gotta thank Yo-Yo.
Yo-Yo, thanks for the follow and joining Bully Bears Trading. Daddy?
Like left joystick. That's why it does for me. Wait, wait, these. How is it 2 p.m. already?
Annie, of course. So these buy signals, I usually only take between 9:30 and 11:30 a.m. Eastern. Anytime between there, if you get a buy signal, I usually will enter. Stop loss will be behind the cloud if the candle closes. Oh, let me just pay attention here. We're trying to see if it was going to break this high, but I'm wondering if it's going to be this high, and it did break that. Let's look at the 1 minute real quick. It just comes back against me, it's okay. But yeah, so we get a buy signal. You would enter. Let's just go to the beginning of the day, because it's too hard to explain it from right here. All right, let's pretend this was in the morning time. You can take it at any time, but you need a second signal. So say I was on, right, and we saw the first signal. First one out of gray bars, you don't take. We have to wait for the second one. So now we get a second signal here. I would enter on this close. Oh, wrong way, sorry. Stop loss will be behind the cloud. If the candle goes above, it's okay, but if it closes, then it's no good. And then we would take it. Oh shit, I didn't even move that, guys. Then we would take our profit. Usually it depends on what kind of a market it is. So you could be safe and take it out of orange, or you can hold it until it turns gold. Completely up to you. Most likely we probably would have took it right here. And this short here, so say we did take this. This would have been a loss. Right here, this would have been a loss right here. Candle closed above the cloud. So no strategy is 100%. But I usually like to take them at 9:30. And this, we killed it today. We have our first buy, second buy, third buy, fourth buy. Our fifth buy, the sixth one ended up being a loser. We don't take the first short when it switches over. We have to wait, especially if it's getting close to 11 o'clock. So that's our first strategy. Oh, why is my thing listening to me? Now, we can go over the bounce. So when it starts getting choppy or you know, no momentum, or if you just want to look to see what the possibility of the target zones are. So this one right here, from this high to this low, most likely it's going to touch 23,006. So if you were to enter, we're about to get right to here. It doesn't mean it's going to just stop right here, but it's a good indication that it's going to go there. So this one was a bear 3. So from this high to this low, I have to draw it in because it already happened, so it recalibrated. You can see that it's right in the 61, 78% again, and it reversed a little bit. And now we have potential of going to 995. What's my biggest trade ever? I don't know. I've made like 10 G's in one try, one shot. But usually we make like we can make a couple thousand a day. It all depends. Everything's different. Today we were up 1,000, and I actually gave it all the way back. I was down $50 at the end of the day.
Laces, thanks for the follow, and welcome to Bully Bears Trading.
Oh, you're down 47, bro? And then, whoever asked how to use these indicators, I have one more.
Daddy, is that you?
Ooh, Kenny. Gotta do one more.
Hanny, thanks for the follow, and welcome to Bully Bears Trading. Daddy?
And then Hanny, we have one more that I haven't released yet. We're still working on making it like perfected. I like to perfect things before I start releasing them. Oh shit, I did not mean to do that. Man, I messed that one all up. So right here, you see how this denied here? So it all depends on how you want to do it. Right to the 78 and rejected to the top side, so depends on how aggressive you are.
Daddy, is that you?
Ooh, got another one. Now I gotta do it again.
Let's see who it was. G from the Z to the A. Welcome to Bully Bears Trading. Daddy?
So, Hanny, we have one other good one that we're coming out with. So, I can almost pick out the bottoms. You see this flag here? And then we enter on the first fair value gap that closes above. So right here, 22,995s, and that's where we're going. Usually we can look for a pullback. So say you want to be conservative, we can get out at 2301s. We blew right past that. We're gonna see if it takes out this liquidity high here though, because we were trading the 30-second chart before, because the volume's really low. So Papa help? Papa please go up? Papa is gonna go up.
Papa, can you go up, please? Daddy, is that you? Tebow, go Makagafa 30. Thanks for the follow. And welcome to Bully Bears Trading. Daddy? Papa? Go up? Please?
We're almost there. It's such a mess here, though. That's the problem. I think we want to get this, though. Papa?
Daddy?
We're gonna get there. We're gonna get there. I gotta take this off my face sometimes. You see how it keeps rejecting the zone? If you guys are curious on what I'm using, you can join my Discord. It's in the bio. Under VIP, it is free for 30 days. After that, it does cost about $1 a day. It's pretty damn cheap compared to others. And I use it live every day. Don't just join and follow and do it blindly. Watch me for a few days. Check it out. Then if you like it, go ahead and join. I mean, I recommend joining my Discord regardless. But the VIP for the paid indicators, just follow me for a bit. Don't just assume it's good. Pretend I'm a stranger. Stranger danger. I wonder if that's divergent there. It is a little bit. Papa? Go up. This is a snooze fest. Okay, so we got a bull 3 because it broke above there. I might lower this just a little bit. If it wants to break this high, we'll leave still one up here. Alright, we're testing that trend line. And this is the pullback zone. You see this yellow? If we can reject off of this, then we can go up. But right now it's going down, so we're going to have to see. That's going to suck if it comes back down to here. The volume's just a little off. Let's see. German industrial order was worse than expected. countries will start paying tariffs on August 1st. Trump's plans tariffs range from 60-70% to 10 to 20. Okay. This is torture, man. Looks like it wants to touch this 5-minute. You know what sucks is that we just don't know if it's here or here. Got 1 minute, still respecting it on the 5. 1 minute's in fucking La La Land. Alright, back to this target zone. Let's see if it bounces. If it breaks this low again, we're gonna add one more. But big denial there. So maybe it just doesn't want to break yet. That's what sucks about trading fucking 2 a.m. A lot of resistance here though. Touch the zone, got a fair value gap, got an extra old one here too. So we're bounced off. Just curious, 15. Ooh, 15. That was a big one. Papa, don't speak. I'm in trouble now.
If you don't get funded, I will trade with you until you do. That's not hype.
All right, we broke that low.
No one else backs their system like I do. I don't care if you're...
We need to close in 15 seconds. Then we might add into this. And then we might take it out of the purple trend line. I don't know. I'm not sure yet, guys. I'm going to add in a little bit more if it breaks a fair value gap to the upside.
Order filled.
That was my top step bags. do? Take out these lows or what?
To the upside, baby. Let's go.
It might want to take this out again. The volume is weak as fuck. We might have to go for this purple. Slow. This is on a 30-second chart, guys.
Stop filled.
Right, we added 2 more. I'm thinking about taking some out here. Just because it's been rejecting a little bit and it's a little slow. Look at the one. In the higher time frames, it's been fighting. Oh, we broke above that 1 minute fair value gap. Sweet. Very, very good. Okay, see this yellow is the pullback zones. So most time it's drawn to this. You know, it could reject here at 99, but we're gonna see if it wants to go to the top. I really wanted to hit this purple. It should go break above these highs, but it's taking its sweet ass time. My final one will probably be like right here. Oh boy. What the fuck? See how I hit the pullback zone instantly? Wow, this is crazy. Let's see, no news. It just could just be low fucking volume, guys. at it again. It's twice it broke above and it doesn't want to hold. On the 1 minute too, like that should have been good, but it pulled right back to the 61% and then fucking reversed. See what the RSI says. Divergent. All right, third time. It's also that 23,000 too. Got to keep that in fucking mind too. 23,000 is obviously a huge psychological number.
A psychological number that we're gonna break to the upside. Daddy? Turn green. That's good. Come on, you fucker. Get up there.
If it could break above this 23, we should be good. The orders must be there must be a shitload of orders right there at 23. If it breaks through, it should short squeeze. Come on, you fucker. I know what to do. Ready? Come on, push that 23. Just gotta break it.
I just got the Merrick R50 air resistance rower delivered to me. Now this rowing machine
Come on. It just has to break above this right here. Line in the sand. I'm just putting some hashtags in to see if it gets me on there. Come on, baby. Just take your sweet ass time. Get the fuck back up. Ghost Trades going to go back down and break 22,895. That's 100 points. It could. We're just trading the 30 second. It looked really good to break this high up here, and it just never did. So short term, I'm betting it goes up. But longer term, yeah, you could be right. For shout. Are you in the trade, Ghost? I agree. I definitely agree with that. And if you look on the higher time frame, I gotta delete the stuff from today. If you look on the higher time frame here, we're at an all-time high, and it needs to come back. It's 949, but no, which one are we looking at? Sorry, all these lines. Let me go to a cleaner chart. Okay, so you see this, how this broke this high here? Now the second high that broke, it is starting to become divergent. And we don't know if this is a fifth Elliott wave. Now, sometimes after huge bills like this pass, the run up, it will pull back. Maybe 22.89. But
Is that you?
ooh. Yeah, maybe it's waiting for London session. I gotta go to fucking bed soon. Throwing a huge party tomorrow and I'm just fucking chilling.
Sechi, thanks for the follow. And welcome to Bully Bears Trading. Daddy? Is that you? Aslam. Thanks for the follow. And welcome to Bully Bears Trading. No invite to the party, big bro. I got a lot of fucking do tomorrow. Got a lot of things to do. Did buy some fireworks. Got like 30 people coming to my house.
We will be trading in the morning time though for a little bit. Only for like an hour or two, depending on what the fuck the volume is. If it's shit, it's shit. We're not gonna fucking throw away money. Alright, we gotta bounce off that bull 3. Pull back. We've been waiting a long time. I don't know if I'm gonna take a fucking break even on this, guys. This is dead. Dude. Dude. Bully Bears. Ghost Trades. I like how you have ghosts in your name. It's pretty dope. I like it. Just waiting. It's gonna go off the yellow, which is like a bounce zone. I'm hoping it breaks through eventually. That 23 is just not breaking right now. I'm sure there's a shit load of fucking orders there. There you go. Pump through. So Ghost Trades, do you think it's? Are you just saying because it had 2 updates it should pull back, or do you see anything else? I mean, that bill that was passed should actually rocket the market up. We just don't know if it's gonna be right away. You know, pull back first and then rocket. I need a little bit more data before I take a guess what day it is. Yeah, that's what I'm thinking too. I agree with everything you said there too. I just don't know if it wants to rip up a little bit more first. This is like molasses, guys. Molasses. Yeah. No, Ed, this is the first time I actually used a mask. I had no face before. But because of my job I can't show my face, so coming up with new shit, you know? Bully Bears. I need a face. And what's better than
Hi there, is Dr.
trading
Jack
the
Wald,
dungeons?
co-founder of Native Path. We look at collagen differently than other supplement companies.
Bully Bears Dungeons. For profit. We shall make. I might be. The elite.
No, I'm trading MNQ. If it breaks this 23k, we're gonna fucking blast up and get out of this. It just keeps rejecting the 23.
Daddy?
Oh my god. Daddy needs to go to bed. Get my profit already. It's literally been going back and forth. I usually just trade New York Open. Don't trust me with your life. I mean, I appreciate it. It's just the volume is really low right now. It keeps chipping away. Look how many times it tried to hit, break that 23. It just can't do it right now. As soon as it does, though, it's gonna fucking launch. I wonder if it's waiting for fucking London Bridge is falling down. Think it's gonna break that low again? Let's see. If it does, we'll do one more fucking entry and then I'm fucking done. We might do 4 contracts. Henry Young. Where we're going, we don't use stop losses. No, I agree. I'm watching it. It could go lower. You're right. We're waiting to fucking go up though. For a century. If it goes a little lower, we can buy a little more. But I'm hoping it goes up first. Some ping-ponging between this. Just want to see if it touched this.
Do you want to know where to invest $1,000 right now? Well, forget about AI, quantum computing.
it won't what go up or down. This is a 30-second chart, so if you guys think long term is gonna go down, it's fine. Think it's gonna go up, it's also fine. But this has been a fucking downtrend here for a while, and I guess that could get a little bit of a boost down. Yeah, that a lot of the time frames are very no, 1 hour is not. 1 hour is bullish to me. Look out about how many down candles there are. Eventually this is gonna fucking blast up. At least probably to 23.59. The other ones are bearish still. Okay, let's see if it breaks down below this. If it breaks below this, I might buy more. And then we're getting pretty close to the limit here. Henry, that's probably a good idea. See how many down there are, and none of them really have broken the tops of the previous candle highs. First one that breaks the previous candle high is probably going to launch. You got 12 minutes until 3, so... Again, rejection. Carol gone crypto. That's funny. Come on.
helps you finish your tracks way faster. Check this out. I'm gonna start with this loop that I made here.
Before we look at Tesla, I'm curious. Looks like Trump and Elon are beefing again. Bitcoin 109. Give us the horns. I like it. I like it.
Give us the horns, damn it. I'm tired of waiting.
It's only, I know there's a short there, but it's came out of gray, so it doesn't count. Might bounce off that yellow zone. I'm hoping it just fucking breaks a low, because we're not gonna get any momentum until maybe at 3 when London comes. London. Look at 0950 on the 5-minute and put in a fair value gap at 22,975. Over here. To 988. Yeah, I see it right here. But it this is the first one. It's not. It's like in the middle. I usually don't like those. But I guess it is, you know, respecting it. Longs are good until you break below that. It's like right in the middle. But it is respecting it.
Pepilo, thanks for the follow. Welcome to Bully Bears Trading.
Correct, but it's the main range and it's respecting. Yeah. Agreed. What a fucking drown down though. Did it break any fives here? There is none. Okay. So we could go lower. I don't see any 5-minute ones. We do have this one. Oh no, we did break above it. It just didn't fucking hold. Yeah. Oh, the one? I mean, on the 1 minute time frame. I was looking at this one. 995s. That's what fucked me. And we got 2 minutes. 2 minutes. I actually wouldn't mind if it broke a little bit. Oh wait, oh no, yeah. Not that fair value gap though that you're talking about. If it breaks that, then yeah, I'll be fucking a little nervous. Alright, 1 minute left. It's already getting whippy. Alright, broke below. Premature. 30 seconds left. Right into the fucking zone. Just break it. Yeah, it's terrible. I'm telling you, I never even trade this shit.
With the free Iron Beam platform and free real-time data, you can trade the most popular futures contracts anywhere.
Kill you there. That's the only volume there was. 10 points. Break above this, we should be okay. I'm fucking taking some out here though. At the 70 pullback, 23. Yeah, but if it fucking breaks it, it's launching. If it breaks 23,000, we're launching. At least at 2309s probably. Yeah, you did. You're right. 100% did. Hubert, I'm waiting, bro. I'm waiting. Nine 8. Please do it. 999.5. Come on. You fucker. Hubert, I don't know if it's got the juice, bro. Doesn't have the juice. You might have lost that battle, my friend. We have our first. Fair value got tapped, maybe. I don't know, bro. It can't cut. It's not cutting it. It's not cutting it. Huge rejection again. I know, but I'm not feeling this now. We might have one more rip up, but alright, I'm gonna add into this.
Order filled. Order filled.
Order filled.
Maybe one more rip into this area, but could be downhill, so I gotta really pay attention here, guys. You're looking at a mess, that's what you're looking at. I can't believe the London didn't fucking take that out. I thought for sure it was gonna take it to 23,000, at least then fall, you know? We're looking at MNQ futures. Trend is your friend until it's not, right?
Daddy? Is that you?
Ghost Trades, thanks for the follow, bro. I'll give you a follow back.
Is that you? Jonas. Thanks for the follow. And welcome to Bully Bears Trading.
I'm thinking I'm getting the fuck out of break even. This might be, it needs to push up a little bit against this. If not, then we're fucked. Could have been a liquidity. We just don't want it to fucking smash through here. Like that. It's 10 minutes past, bro. Fucking go up a little bit. Alright, we're at that pullback zone. Let's see what happens here. fucking respecting what you were saying. Did it freeze on me or something? Oh, great. Thank you for freezing on me. Needs to come back up. Right here. If this sticks, dude, we might have to take a loss. We're below that fair value gap now, so not looking so hot. It's gone, yeah. Watch, it's gonna fucking rip to the upside as soon as I get out. But we might have to call it a loser. Well, we were expecting it to at least break that 23. We've called some of the bottoms, but it just wasn't following through. And right now, I wanted to see if it's just overextended to the bottom, because look how much further it is. But it's the volume's dragging it down, so. But I usually scalp. And I'm usually pretty good at calling the bottoms for the reversals, but the volume on this has just fucking really dragged it out, dude. This would need to like fucking really reverse now. A lot of people ask me to do it, man. If you want to join my Discord, I could check it out later. But right now, no. That's it. It's fucking gonna keep going, dude. I'm gonna close it.
Order filled.
Order filled.
I kinda wanna fucking
Order filled.
short some.
Order filled.
pretty fucking annoying.
Daddy? Is that
Order
you?
filled.
Yeah, I'm not too worried about that, but we waited fucking so long. I know. Watch it run to 22.911. We'll freak the fuck. Oh, that's down. Okay, I'm cool with that. Oh, there's New York today. It's for a couple hours. Mouse. Patty King.
Patty King. Thanks for the follow. Welcome to Bully Bears Trading.
Order filled.
It's looking good to the downside now. Alright, we'll take out a little bit
Order
there.
filled.
Make myself feel a little better.
Order filled.
Yeah, it's half a day tomorrow. Yeah, we're at the one.
ACV Auctions
Hubert,
is the leading
sorry,
online
bro.
auction built for dealers.
Sometimes it happens, man.
Thousands of wholesale vehicles from
It looks like
Order
it wants to go
filled.
down just a little bit more again.
Order filled.
Yeah, sometimes it just fucking happens, dude. My bad.
Is that you?
Whoever followed, thank you. 928. Could. Alright, it's completely over, extremely oversold, so be careful.
Order filled.
Alright, we took out one. See, one and then second short makes it even stronger. That was the 50. I'm gonna take out just two.
Order
A little
filled.
nervous. We got two left. Kind of looks like it wants to go up a little bit. Alright, I'm gonna get out of this.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
Going to the long side.
Order filled.
Order filled.
I'm scalping quick, so be careful if you're even following me at all.
Order filled.
Order filled.
Okay, so the trend has been down, so let's see if it comes up just a little more. So this is part of my strategy. You get the short, and then soon as it starts to turn oversold, just be really careful. And then it usually wants to pull back at least to the cloud. 911, and he said, yes, rejecting zone of mine here too. Oh, there it goes.
Is that you? Marius. Thanks for the follow. Appreciate you. My Discord's in my bio. I can try linking it now though. I mean, I kind of live next to New York, so I say New York Eastern. Oh wait, I gotta copy the page, sorry. I mean, it's 3:23 New York time now, so 9:30. Yeah, it's a half a day tomorrow. I know prop firms close at 1. I'm not sure exactly.
I'm not sure exactly what time the market. Probably, I'm gonna guess like 2 p.m. That was probably the fucking bottom, guys. It's cleared 2 fucking fair value gaps. I don't want to fucking get challenge it though. We're right at the top of this. All right, guys. I think I'm gonna call it a night/morning. Did not want to fucking stay up until then. I gotta get up early as fuck. We'll be trading in the morning. Probably until... we're not sure if the volume is going to be dead tomorrow. It could be hit or miss. If not, I would say at least a good hour will be good volume. And then we got a lot of shit we got to do. We got like 30 people coming over for fucking July 4th party. USA. USA. If you're not following me, hit me up with a follow. Free Discord in the bio. We're growing. Yeah, it could be wild. I have no fucking clue. You know, it could be hit or miss. Could be hit or miss. It sucks that we lost that money. That should have been a good $200 easily. But it is what it is. But I'll be on tomorrow morning, guys. If you're on, I'll see you then. If not, have a good night. And happy July 4th. Adios.